Alright, this is Eric K Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. This is Cruze fuse box. Okay, this is 2011 model of this Cruze. Chevy Cruze is a 2011. So if you want to change your starter relay or to check your starter because your starter is behaving or your starter is behaving badly, is your starter located at the Cruze. So you want to test with multimeter or you want to change it to find the location of your starter relay. This is all about. This is your starter relay. You can see your starter relay located here. You can trace it to the last line and come here. So this is your starter. This is your starter relay. So if you want to remove it, just shake it like this slowly. So this is it, your starter relay. So subscribe to my YouTube channel AK Garage. You can see the number clearly and the starter relay. You can see it clearly. So after that, I fix it back. So this is all about this video. Locate your starter relay. Thank you.